artist! Welcome back to Chinki Drawing Arts! Today we're going to draw something super cool and twisty! Can you guess what it is? It's green, it can change colors, and it loves to hide in trees. It's a chameleon! Yay! Grab your black marker and let's get drawing! Let's start with the head. Draw a big circle shape for its face. Now draw a little curve for its smile. A happy chameleon, of course. Add a big round eye. Chameleons have amazing eyes that can move around. Next, let's draw the body. Make a big wiggly S shape going down. That's a chameleon's twisty body and tail. Now curl the end into a spiral. That's its curly tail. Whoa! Is it doing yoga? Time to add the legs. 2 at the top hugging the branch and 2 more below. They're tiny but strong. Now let's draw the branch. A thick line going up with some leafy leaves at the top. Chameleons love to climb trees, so we need to make this one sturdy. Nice work. Now let's outline everything again to make it bold and sharp. Careful and steady. Go over all the lines with your marker. Wow! It's already looking amazing! Now it's time to color, the best part. Let's color it all in, nice and bright. Swish, swish goes the green.
You must try this.
Nice.
And the leaves look fresh and leafy. Yellow goes in smoothly. You did such an awesome job today. Your chameleon is colorful, cute, and full of personality, just like you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your masterpiece with someone you love. Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye!